Hello guys, another day, another adventure. It's 5 a.m. and we are gonna catch the sunrise near Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. It is one of the highlights to see in Indonesia. Join us on this adventure. Let's go. Alright, we found a good place to park and now we just need to walk to the waterfall. Siga, are you ready? Let's check it out. Oh, the gates are closed. What shall we do? Sika found out that the gate wasn't actually locked. So we are just gonna go inside, close it again, and enter the area. And we are the only ones. It's already sunrise, so we need to hurry a little bit. Yeah, sunrise here is, what was it, 5:30? 5:32. So the sunrise was actually 3 minutes ago, but yeah, that's how it is. I'm incredibly tired. Yesterday we woke up at 3:20 a.m. to catch the sunrise at Mount Bromo. And now we woke up at 4:30 a.m. You feeling tired, Sika?
Yeah, and we need to wake up early also tomorrow.
Yeah, we also need to wake up early tomorrow and the day after actually. Honestly guys, I think we are not allowed to be in the area now, but the gate was unlocked and if nobody sees us, there is no harm. We're just the only ones here now. Incredible. Panorama Tumpak Sewu. Let's check it out. Wow! This is incredible. With the Semeru volcano there in the background. Might be overexposed in the camera. But since we are here all alone, I think it's time to fly the drone a little bit. Get some aerial shots. We were quite lucky. We had the waterfall for ourselves for maybe 1 hour. Really, really nice. So many people are coming. That means we are gonna hurry down into the valley. A good reminder not to feed the monkeys. There are so many of them here. Incredibly beautiful area. Beware of falling rock. All right, let's see how we do this. I hope the rock isn't slippery. What do you say?
Wet.
Oh. Oh, some more of this. I think I will be wet too. All right. Interesting. This is quite extreme, guys, I can tell you, going down here. Yay! Come on, Sika! Okay, we are all the way down. Now it's just this way to get to the waterfall. One more time that we need to cross. This is a different experience being down here. But let's go. You ready, Sika? Okay. Oh, quite strong current. Sika, are your shoes wet? To be honest, I wasn't expecting going here to be this difficult. Well, that's just how it is. Wow, look at this. Incredibly beautiful being down here. I think the viewing platform we were just before is about here. That was nice. We're gonna continue now down the canyon. Wow. There were some rocks falling here. From the tourists. I hope they were not throwing rocks. What a nice place. It's not only the waterfall, the main one, it's also the canyon itself. There's so many other waterfalls, simply beautiful. So these waterfalls behind me here are called Goa Tedes. Really beautiful ones. Oh! Time to head back up. Hopefully this path is a little easier than the other one. Wow, this is insane. Okay. Let's do this. I hope it isn't slippery here. Haha! Oh wow! What? It wasn't too difficult. I think this is the last hill It's so incredibly humid outside. So we are sweating a lot. We also got wet crossing all of these rivers and getting close to the waterfalls. So now we are going to get back to the scooter and drive for 5 minutes to the accommodation, change clothes, and then we head out again. And also we desperately need a cup of coffee. Hello. What do you say, Ziga?
I think it's gonna rain.
Think it's gonna rain? Yep. Doesn't look good. That means it will rain early today, since it's only 9 o'clock. Here we are. Finally. We just had breakfast and a nice cup of coffee. Now we are gonna head to the next waterfall. So guys, it started to rain quite heavily. So we went back to the accommodation. I'm afraid it will be like this for the rest of the day, but let's see. We're gonna wait a little bit inside and see if the rain stops. I'm gonna end this vlog now from the Tumpak Sewu area. We got really lucky this morning. We had no rain, so we could see the main waterfall quite well. Unfortunately not the other ones, but that's just how it is. The rain is stopping us a little bit. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching and see you in the next adventure.